If you're not using this search console feature, you're missing a lot. In this video, I'm going to talk about an AI feature inside search console that a lot of people are missing and you should not. And I do mean that. You can literally find a lot of underrated keywords from your search console just by doing this thing. Just in case you haven't subscribed to the channel, please feel free to do so. And yeah, I talk mostly about local SEO, GBP and stuff like that if you're interested in that. But anyways, let's get into the video. And that feature is basically this thing. This is AI powered configuration within search console. If you give it a prompt, it's going to give you a lot of data based on the search console data it's having. The reason why it's super strong or why it's so powerful is because it's giving you based on real data, unlike Ahrefs, SEMrush, or any third-party tools where they are kind of assuming things, right? They're assuming the traffic, they're predicting the traffic, they're predicting keywords and stuff like that. Here, you get a real data inside Search Console. Now, for instance, I want to create some posts on top of the funnel keywords, right? So I can say, give me all the how to queries I am ranking on between position 5 to 20. Now, once I have these, I can go and optimize these pages, right? I can optimize for these terms and get a lot of traffic. So I've tried with another one, show me queries containing how to or what is, and you can use regex for it, yes, but you don't even have to know any technicalities now, right? You can do exactly any sort of stuff using this tool. Now I can further dwell down and see, say, but we can play it with other stuff, right? What is my USA paid CTR last week? Let's see how it works out. Okay, it gave me all the information. This was my average CTR. This was my exact amount of total clicks, total impressions, CTR, average portion, and stuff like that. And based on this, I can do all of my optimization. I hope you're getting how it can be useful to you, right? If you want to see how you're ranking on keywords, including your services, let's say you're an HVAC company and you want to see how you're ranking on any queries including HVAC or AC or furnace or stuff like that, you can just prompt this here and Google's going to give you all the information that you were asking. This is really powerful. And if you don't know any technicalities, jargons, and if you don't want to buy those Href subscription or whatever, you can just use AI powered configuration within Search Console. The only thing needed is if it's a new website, it's not going to perform good because you're not having any data within Search Console. So you must have some data within Search Console to kind of get some actual nuggets from it. I hope you get the point. And yeah, this is pretty much how you can exactly play with Search Console. Give this a try and let me know how it works out. If you have got any other question, feel free to comment below. And yeah, if you need any help with local SEO marketing for your home service business, feel free to book a call with us using the link given in the description and pinned comment. Till then, bye-bye. Have a great day.